When you try to learn something new, you probably start like this. You open YouTube, search for tutorials, take a few notes, maybe even buy a course. And then, a week later, you realize you've consumed a lot of information, but built almost zero skill. That's the problem. You're learning in theory mode, but there's a way to learn anything so fast, it almost feels unfair. It's not about talent or IQ or being gifted. It's about how you approach the skill itself. I've used this method to learn editing, scripting, design, fitness programming, and it works every single time. Once you understand how it works, you'll realize that learning can actually feel easy. So here's the process, broken down into 5 game-changing steps. Step 1. Jump into action immediately. When you start learning something, you probably want to prepare first. You collect resources, plan everything out, and wait until you feel ready. But that's exactly what slows you down. Here's the truth. The fastest learners skip the setup. They start doing the thing right now, even if they have no idea what they're doing. When I first learned video editing, I didn't spend hours watching tutorials. I just opened my editor, imported a random clip, and started cutting. Did it look terrible? Absolutely. But in that one messy session, I learned more about pacing, rhythm, and timing than I ever could by watching others do it. You don't need to understand everything before you start. You learn fastest when you're inside the problem, not reading about it from the outside. So stop preparing, start doing. Step 2. Focus on the 20% that gives you 80% of results. Every skill has a small set of fundamentals that make up almost everything you'll ever need. If you can find those, you can learn insanely fast. For example, in guitar, it's a few simple chords. In editing, it's cutting, timing, and text. In fitness, it's compound movements and recovery. When I was learning design, I ignored color theory, typography rules, and advanced tools. I focused only on layout and spacing. That 20% made my designs go from amateur to clean instantly, and the rest came naturally later. If you want to learn fast, shrink the skill. Don't try to climb the whole mountain at once. Build one small step at a time that gets you to the top. Tell me in the comments down below what skill you're learning right now. Step 3. Practice in short, high-focus bursts. You don't need marathon sessions. You need micro sessions. Short bursts of pure focus. 20 to 30 minutes of deep practice every single day beats 3 hours of distracted studying once a week. When I was improving my script writing, I made a deal with myself. One short writing session every day. Just sit down and write for 25 minutes. Within a month, I noticed something remarkable. My writing wasn't just better, it was easier. That's because your brain loves short, consistent repetition. It builds muscle memory faster, it recalls patterns quicker, and it eliminates mental resistance. So instead of planning your next 5-hour study session, just commit to 20 minutes, but every day. Step 4. Explain what you learn, even if you barely get it. Here's a secret. You don't fully understand something until you can explain it simply, and you can use that to learn faster than anyone else. After you learn something new, take 2 minutes to explain it out loud. You can talk to a friend, a camera, or even just to yourself. When you do this, you instantly see what you actually understand, and what you only think you understand. I used to do this all the time when learning new fitness concepts. After reading or watching something, I'd explain it like I was teaching a beginner. And the moment I got stuck trying to explain something, I knew exactly where my knowledge gap was. That's how you accelerate learning, by turning every lesson into a teaching moment. Don't wait until you're an expert to teach. Teach your way to mastery. Step 5. Turn everything you learn into something real. This is where it all comes together. You can study for months, but nothing sticks until you use it for something real. Build something, create something, apply it right away. When I was learning to edit, I didn't wait until I felt ready to make videos. I started posting. They looked bad, the pacing was off, the cuts were weird. But every video taught me something my brain would have never learned from theory. Real projects give you feedback that tutorials never can. They force you to solve problems, adapt, and think creatively. And those lessons stay with you forever. So whatever you're learning right now, connect it to a real project. If you're learning a language, start texting someone in that language. If you're learning to code, build a simple app that actually solves a problem. If you're learning fitness, create your own program and test it. Real learning happens when something's at stake. Final thoughts. So here's the whole system. Jump straight into doing. Focus on the 20% that matters most. Practice in short bursts. Explain what you learn. Build something real. That's how you learn anything so fast it feels almost unfair. You don't waste time getting ready. You don't wait for perfect understanding. You don't grind for hours hoping something sticks. You move, you fail, you adjust. And your brain learns at lightning speed. So whatever skill you've been thinking about, start today. Don't overthink it. Just start doing. Because once you see how fast you can actually learn, you'll never go back to the old way again.